Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy savings accounts with Marcus by Goldman Sachs, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Click on the Savings tab to explore account options. Review the details of the high-yield online savings account. To proceed, click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the online application form. Start by entering your personal information, including your name and address. Next, provide your email address and phone number for account verification. Choose your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number for identification purposes. Once you've filled out your information, create a secure password for your online account. Read through the terms and conditions before proceeding. After reviewing the terms, check the box to indicate your agreement. Click on the Continue button to move to the next section. Here, you will enter your employment and financial information. Provide details about your annual income and source of funds. Continue to the next page to specify your preferred funding method. You can choose to transfer funds from an external bank account or send a check. If you opt for an external transfer, ensure you have your bank account details handy. Complete this section by entering the necessary banking information. Next, you will review your application details for accuracy. Make any corrections if necessary before proceeding. Once confirmed, submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is successfully submitted. Typically, approval is quick, often within a few minutes. After approval, log into your new account using the credentials you created. Follow the prompts to fund your savings account. You can start managing your savings right away through the online dashboard. Explore features such as automatic transfers to help grow your savings. If needed, download the Marcus mobile app for convenient access on the go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.